Hi YouTubers, it's Smoking SC787. Going to do a second video today. Tomorrow will definitely be your first pipe tobacco in the series of your first smoke tobacco use. But anyway, this video is going to be about something interesting. This is actually a take 2 of this video. I tried to make this video 2 days ago, or 1 day ago. 2 days ago, and my camera's battery died, so I'm gonna make this video again. Anyway, this video is how much would you smoke? Now it's kind of like a J-ish question. You know, J dig HX. He does questions, like gives you surveys, questions, that kind of stuff. And this question is to the pipe community, or cigar community, or cigarette community, any tobacco community on YouTube. I'm going to give you a couple scenarios, and so bear with me. And I want you to tell me how much would you smoke in these situations. Now, I personally, smoke 2 to 3 times a day. I like to keep it to 2 times a day, but when a day is stressful, or it's a long, hard day, I typically smoke 3 pipes, or 2 pipes, 1 cigar. But anyway, in these scenarios, how much would you smoke? How much, in other words, how much would you smoke at the absolute most? Now, me personally, how much do I envision me smoking at the absolute most? Like if I could smoke the most. Sorry, it's kind of a vague topic. It's hard to describe. Probably the most, I probably would say 4 times a day. But that's the most I could ever envision myself smoking, is 4 times a day. Probably like 4 pipes or 3 pipes, 1 cigar. But even that's a lot. And for health reasons, you should probably keep it to 1, 2, 3 times a day. But I'm gonna give you a couple scenarios. If there was an article published on the web or in the newspaper or on TV that said tobacco use is actually not really that unhealthy. It's unhealthy, but it's not really that unhealthy. It is far less risky, what I'm trying to say. Far less risky than what it is now. Would that change your smoking habits? So if you learn that the risk is 20% versus 80%, would that change your smoking habits? Myself, probably not. I would probably still smoke, if there's still a risk to it, I probably would still smoke 2 to 3 times a day. Here's a second scenario. If you learned there was no risk at all to smoking a pipe, at all, or smoking a cigar, no risk at all. So in other words, smoking a pipe or cigar was no riskier than drinking a cup of coffee. So would that change your smoking habits at all? Myself, I probably would smoke more like 3 or 4 times a day if I learned that there was no risk to it. The third scenario, if you learned that tobacco use was very healthy for you, and I can already see the hate comments coming, if you learned that it was very, very healthy for you to smoke tobacco, would that change your smoking habits at all? Myself, that would change my smoking habits. I probably would smoke more like 3 or 4 times a day, maybe even 5 times a day. But when it comes down to it, I'm not really sure if I would want to be obligated to smoke 5 times a day, every day, because a pipe cigar lasts for 45 minutes to an hour, or a little less, or a little bit more. So I'm not sure if I would really want to be obligated to smoke 4 or 5 times a day. So anyway, give me your thoughts. Peace out, bye. See you guys later. In those 3 scenarios, 1, far less risky than it is now. 2, there's no risk to it, and 3, it's healthy. Give me your thoughts. Peace out. Bye.